Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to remove Mini Cooper grill. Start by opening the hood and inspecting the grill clips and screws at the top edge, then remove any plastic covers. Work methodically from one side to the other, using a trim tool to gently pry clips free and a Phillips to undo screws. Keep fasteners organized and protect painted surfaces with a soft cloth to avoid scratches. Begin by removing the top screws securing the grill, then use a trim tool to release the hidden clips behind the bumper line. Apply steady pressure and work slowly so clips do not break. Replace any damaged clips if necessary. Once clips are free, gently pull the grill forward to disengage lower tabs and check for wiring connectors for fog lights or sensors. Keep parts organized to make reinstallation quick and easy. If your grill has fog lights or sensor wiring, locate and unplug the connectors before removing the grill fully to avoid strain. When reinstalling, line up lower tabs first, then press the grill into place until clips engage, and finally reinstall top screws snugly but not over-tightened. Reconnect battery if disconnected and test any electrical components. Finish by checking for gaps and ensuring the grill sits flush with the bumper.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.